Assalamu alaikum, dear grade 9A students. Now we are going to discuss the answer of the activity assigned in the previous lesson. Okay, I hope you all have completed this activity in your exercise book. Those activities are on page 24 of your textbook. Let's see the answers of the activity. State whether the following are true or false. This is the first question given on page 24. You have to find out the given statements are true or false. This is the first statement given there. People around the world use different utensils for eating. While reading the passage on page 23, you can find people around the world use different utensils for eating. So this statement is correct. So the answer is true. Now look at the second statement. Most Western countries only use spoons for eating. He can find the answer for this statement in the second paragraph of the text on page 23. It says, spoons, forks and knives are commonly found in Western countries. So we can't say they use only spoons for eating. So this statement is wrong. This is the third statement. Most people in East Asian countries use chopsticks when eating. The third paragraph of the text is saying chopsticks have been used in East Asia for many years. So we can say East Asian people use chopsticks for eating. So this statement is correct. Third statement is correct. Now look at the fourth statement. Injera is the staple food in Mexico. We learn injera is the staple food in Ethiopia. So the last statement is wrong. So the answer is false. Now let's see the statements with answers. First one is true, second statement is false, third one is true, fourth one is false. Now let's move on to the second question. Complete the following table. Here they have given you a table to complete. The title of the first column is country or countries. The title of the second column is utensil or utensils used for eating. We learn about these countries in the text. China, Korea, Japan. They normally use chopsticks for eating. England, Germany, France. Those are Western countries. They normally use fork, knife, spoon for eating food. Now let's see the third question. This is the heading of the activity 3. Write what is meant by the following words or phrases highlighted in the text. Now you can remember the words highlighted in the given text on page 23. Now let's see one by one. Them. This word is in the third paragraph of the text. You can see this word at the end of the third paragraph. It refers the word chopsticks. So the answer is chopsticks. The next word is this. It is in the fourth paragraph of the text. It refers the word injera, the staple food of Ethiopia. So the answer is injera. Now let's see the fourth question. Suggest a suitable title for this text. Here they are requesting the students to suggest a suitable title for this text. Let's see what is the main purpose of this text. In this text they are talking about the utensils used for eating in different countries. So the title can be like this: utensils used for eating food in different countries. Now let's move to the next activity. Activity 7, grammar activity. It is a grammar activity. Find all the adjectives given in activity 6. First of all, let's see what are adjectives. Adjectives are used to modify the nouns. Okay, when we write the nouns with adjectives, we can get more information about that nouns. Here I have picked up some words from the text. Look at those words. Western countries, large, flat, plate. Here the words in red are adjectives. The words in black are nouns. In the first word, the adjective is western. In the second word, large and flat are adjectives. Here, local dishes. Dishes is noun, local is an adjective. Different cultures. Different is an adjective. The word culture is a noun. Right hand. Right is adjective, hand is noun. Now look at the B question. Now look at the B question. Write sentences using the adjectives you have found. Now we are going to write some sentences using the adjectives we have found from the text. Okay. This is the first sentence. I like to wear western dresses. Right here I have used the word western as an adjective to modify the noun dresses. You can write the sentence like this too. I like to listen to western music. That sentence is also correct. Here I have given you an example. You can write your own sentences using these adjectives. My uncle has a large house in his village. Here I have used the adjective large to modify the noun house. This is the third sentence. My father usually listens to local news on the radio every morning. Here I have used the adjective local to modify the noun news, local news. This is the fourth sentence. I heard a different voice last night. The noun is voice. It is modified by the word different. So here I have used the adjective different to modify the noun voice. You can write your own sentences using the adjectives you have found from the text. That's all for today. I hope you all have completed these activities in your exercise book. Let's meet in another new lesson. Jazakumullah khair, and thank you very much for watching this lesson.